I'd smell that. That is the sweet scent of the end of the month. The smell of desperation. The smell of instant noodles for dinner. And most importantly, the smell of interest. Do it. Darling, what are you waiting for? You need those sneakers. Who cares if you haven't worn the pair you bought last month? Swipe me. Swipe me hard. Oh yes, I love it when you spend money you don't have. It makes me feel so powerful. Okay, that's enough. You little plastic parasite. Hey. Who invited Captain Buzzkill? I was motivating them to stimulate the economy. Have you ever wondered why the credit card in your wallet seems so happy when you use it? It's happy because it knows a secret you don't. A secret called the 25% interest trap. Let's go back to those $200 sneakers you just bought. The end of the month arrives. You owe $200, but you're short on cash. Then you see the lifeline. The bank graciously offers you a choice. Just pay the minimum. It's only $20. See, I'm not the bad guy. I'm flexible. Just pay $20 and keep the rest for tacos. Trust me, I'm your friend. This right here is how this little plastic monster gets rich. If you only pay the $20 minimum every month, do you know how long it will take to pay off those sneakers? The answer is almost 5 years. And instead of $200, those sneakers will end up costing you nearly $350 thanks to interest. Mwahaha, I told you I loved interest. Thanks for financing those shoes for 5 years, sucker. Love ya. You see, it wants you to stay in debt, but if you want to wipe that smug smile off its face, you need to do two things. First, stop feeding it. Stop adding new debt. Hide the card, freeze it in a block of ice. Cut it up if you have to. Second, always pay more than the minimum. Even an extra $20 or $50 a month attacks the principal and drastically reduces the interest you pay. No, don't listen to him. The minimum is fine. Buy more tacos, please. I have a lifestyle to maintain. Beating credit card debt isn't easy. It takes discipline and the right knowledge. If you're tired of feeling trapped and tired of this toxic piece of plastic laughing at you, I highly recommend you get serious about financial planning. There is an excellent online course that I personally recommend called Your Affiliate Product Name. It will teach you a step-by-step plan to get out of debt for good. If you're ready to take control, click the link in the description below. Don't let a piece of plastic be your boss. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on taking back control of your money.